My name is Leonardo Frigo and I'm a globe maker. There is something timeless in the way hands shape beauty. And it shows what it truly means to keep tradition alive. I follow a 17th century Venetian technique, and my latest project is inspired by the father of the Italian language, Dante Alighieri. I use handmade paper from Fabriano and watercolors from Assisi. Each globe becomes a bridge between the past and the present. And I find the same spirit in Luca Faloni, tradition lived in the present. Because where beauty meets craft, every detail tells a story.